Cats are such fascinating creatures, and it's so amazing how they recognize their human owners. Cats are so much more than just pretty faces. They don't rely on visual cues to identify their owners, which is pretty cool if you think about it. Cats have such amazing ways of recognizing and bonding with their humans. They use sounds and smells to connect with us, even though they don't rely on sight. In this video, we'll explore how cats recognize their owners, why they sometimes have trouble with facial recognition, and how a human's voice and scent play a big part in the special bond between cat and owner. It's amazing to think that your cat knows who you are and can tell you apart from other people in the house, even though they find it tricky to recognize faces. Some experts think that cats see us as oversized, clumsy cats, but there's still a lot of debate about this. What we do know is that cats focus more on sound and smell than on sight when they're trying to identify people. They can recognize other cats because they need to be on the lookout for potential threats. But when it comes to us humans, they rely more on our familiar voices and scents to recognize us. Your kitty might not recognize your face right away, but it's pretty amazing how quickly it learns your voice. Over time, cats become really good at understanding the way their owners speak and respond to them. They may even start to associate your voice with feelings of safety and trust, just like kittens do with their mother's voice. Another thing about cats is that they have a very good sense of smell, so your scent becomes your signature for them. Cats remember important scents and often rub against you to leave their own scent, which is their way of marking you as part of their trusted circle. Cats are so much more subtle than dogs. They might not respond instantly when you call them, but that doesn't mean they're ignoring you. Cats are very aware of their humans and show their love and trust in their own special way. A slight ear twitch or turn of the head are just a couple of the many small gestures they use to acknowledge you. Their lack of visible reaction is often a sign of trust. They know you're there, and they feel secure in your presence. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.